Hi guys, my name is Eric Strouse. I'm the owner here at JC Solar here in beautiful Glenwood, Maryland, on a job I just did about a month ago. For this customer right here, I was able to eliminate his electrical bill so he never has to pay it again. I don't know if you guys know of all these financial incentives you qualify for on a federal level, a county level, and state level. You get 30% federal tax credit from the government, where the government's willing to pay for 30% of the cost of your system. You get a $1,000 check on a state level 30 to 45 days after the job's installed. In some counties, you get $5,000 towards your property taxes. It's significant, thousands of dollars, and there's much more involved that the state of Maryland's willing to give you to encourage you to go solar. Give me a call. I want to go over all this with you. It's an absolute no-brainer to go solar. These utility companies are continuously raising your rates on you. They're not going to stop doing it. Get away from these criminal enterprises and go solar. There's a ton of incentives, like I said. My name is Eric Strouse. I'm the owner here at JC Solar. 443-204-6551. Call me for a free consultation. I'll be more than happy to help you. 443-204-6551. Thanks, guys.